Are you familiar with Captcha? Have you observed that little box with a statement, "I'm not a robot"? Now I know you can already picture it in your mind. What you probably don't know yet is this. You can actually make money just by typing Captcha. Yes, you heard me right. You can earn $1 every minute just by doing the most straightforward job. You want to know how? Stay with me until the end because I will reveal to you the websites that will pay you to type Captcha. Hi, welcome to Cash Baggy. In this channel, we talk about income opportunities such as side hustles, online income streams, and financial security in general. Do you want to earn money online? If you do, then this is the right channel for you. Without further ado, let's continue. A Captcha test is intended to determine whether an online user is a human, not a robot. The acronym Captcha stands for Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart. On the internet, users frequently run into Captcha and reCAPTCHA tests. Such tests are one method of controlling bot activity, but the strategy has several disadvantages. Captchas are automated even though they are intended to stop automated bots. They automatically pass or fail visitors and are set to appear in specific locations on websites. Some websites still employ the traditional Captchas, which require users to identify letters. The letters are deformed, so bots are unlikely to be able to recognize them. Users must decode the wrapped text, enter the proper letters in a form field, then submit the form to pass the test. Users are asked to try again if the letters don't match. Such tests are frequently used in login forms, account sign-up forms, online surveys, and e-commerce checkout sites. So who will pay us to type Captcha? I think it's the bots. They want us to do Captcha so they could not be detected. Do you agree with me? Actually, don't. I'm just kidding. But here's the truth. Some websites are offering other people to solve Captcha. So you will be their worker solving the Captcha since any bots cannot do it. You will be the one doing it manually. Let's begin. Our very first website is 2captcha.com. To start working for the site, just click Get Paid. Provide your personal details. Then, once you have registered, click Next under the word I am a worker. After that, click Start Working and you will answer the question if you speak English or not. And then, you will undergo swift and easy training by typing 16 Captchas. After that, you can already start your work. The rate will depend on work. 2Captcha usually pays $1 per 1,000 solved Captchas. If you have a lot of spare time, this is already good. This is not the highest paying website, so make sure to stay until the end to learn more about these websites. Numerous companies function entirely on computers. As we are all aware, computers cannot decipher these kinds of Captchas, but people can. Thus, they will need our assistance in doing so. This is incredibly simple to start, and you can get paid instantly. No prior knowledge or expertise is required. What do you think about this money-making technique so far? Are you interested in this kind of content? Leave a comment below. If you want similar videos like this, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. We would really appreciate your presence here on the channel. Let's continue. Megatypers.com is the website that comes next on our list. Simple job, easy money. Simply entering Captchas will earn you type credits worth more than $200 per month. This website is really trustworthy. People from all around the world register on their website to complete Captchas. It should be noted that this is merely the second highest paying website on our list. You can go to their website and just click Free Login. Just fill up the necessary details, including your preferred payment method. Be sure to fill up the correct and most convenient information because you can't change it quickly. On their homepage, you can already see their job offers. This job is available for anyone who wants extra cash. Just log in and start working. The good thing about this site is it is not just typing Captcha. You can also do other typing jobs. You can do transcription, image to text recognition, and a lot more. The one that pays the most right now is known as colotibablo.com. As you can see, this one is also accessible globally because there are steady jobs for everyone and everywhere. Additionally, you can observe that this website has been operational with paying users since 2007. They have a precise statistics system that allows them to track your progress and payment accurately. The best thing is that they promptly pay users using various payment methods. Additionally, as you read down, you will see many testimonials from users worldwide who describe how easy it is to use and how much money they have made using the service. Just click in and then register. Put your username and email and then click I am not a robot and verify. You are now signed in and you can start working. You can now check these sites and make it a part-time job. What do you think about this topic? Do you agree with us too? Do you want to try this money-making technique? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.